How to log in Yahoo Mail. So if you want to log into your Yahoo Mail, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Yahoo. And after searching, go for www.yahoo.com, which is on the first option. And here, if you want to log in or sign in, then you will have this option, sign in option. Simply click on that. And here, if you have already saved an account, then you can simply click on that saved account, or if you want to use another account, then you can go for that. But for now, I'll be choosing this one. So to sign in, you have to enter the 6-digit character code, 6-character code, which Yahoo has sent to your email address. So simply open up your mail, and then here you will have the verification code, and then click on next. Click on I'll do this later, and that's it. That's how you log in, or that's how you sign into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.